Search and register for your classes via Webadvisor.
Searching and registering for sections is easy. Begin with logging in. Remember that your user ID is your last name, first initial, and the last 4 digits of your student ID number. By the time you're ready to register for classes, of course, your password will have already been reset. So use your individual password. Then you hit submit. It should take you to this screen where you can see that you've got the options for students. Click on students. And here under registration you've got 3 options. You can search for classes. That's just to look and see what's available. You can also search and register for classes, or if you've already registered for something you want to drop it, it gives you this option. So we're going to register for sections. When you click this button, you get 3 more options here: search and register. Register for previously selected sections. That's just if you've already selected some courses and you've put them on your preferred list, or if you've already registered and you want to drop something. Since we haven't anything on our course list yet, we're going to search and register for sections. So I'm clicking this. It takes you to the search screen. When we scroll down, there are basically 2 important boxes you want to fill out. First is the term. So I want to make sure that I select a term. I'm going to look for classes in fall of 2009. And I need to select a subject. So I'm interested in taking a biology course. So I'm going to select biology. Now, if I don't select anything else of all of these screens, I'm fine. As long as I put in the term and the subject and I click submit here at the bottom, I'm fine. Other students may want to use some of the other options here. The things you could use would include course number, if you knew the specific course number, or even specific to the section. If you wanted to use times before or after, let's say I work 8 to 5 and I want to select times that might meet after 5 p.m., for example. You could also select days of the week, look at it by certain words, locations, and so forth. When you're just getting started, though, I recommend just use these 2, the term and the subject, and it'll be fine. When I'm ready, I click submit, and it's going to bring all of the courses that are biology for 2009. Registering is very easy. We can find out here, first of all, to make sure that it's fall 2009, if it's still available using the status. We've got even more information about the class here, where it's located, when it meets. When the faculty has been assigned to the course, it will be announced here, and how many seats are available. If I want to register for the course, I simply click this button, move down to the bottom, click submit, and it will pull that particular section to the preferred sections of my registration. So I want to double check to make sure that's the correct course that I want. Choose the action to the side. Yes, I want to register for that course, so I'll select register here. And at the bottom again, submit. Normally at this time, when I hit that I'm actually registering for the class, it takes a few more minutes because it's checking all my information, making sure that I've got the prerequisites for the course, making sure that I don't have any classes that conflict with each other. So it normally takes just a few seconds to make sure that we can register for the course. And now it's processed, and you'll see at the top here where you have the following requests have been processed, that I'm registered now for Bio 111. This is my history or of activity about what I've registered for. I'm just checking to make sure that's all correct, and I hit OK. And it takes me back to the main menu. If I want to find out if I'm actually registered, I can go back here to my class schedule. I can pull down the term, fall 2009, and there it is. There's my class schedule. I am fully registered for that class. See, it's very easy. Enjoy registering.